It's the end of the year and I have a lot of things to finish in this room. That's what I'm gonna do this week, so follow along. Let's go. Alice. Like here, I need to paint the last layer on the window frames and the windowsill. I have a few more trims to finish, and I have a bunch of trims like these to cover the gaps over here all around the room. I should clean these windows, finish painting this one and all the whole border around the room. I only did half of this part of the room. Then I have to sew curtains for these two windows and hang up curtain rods. And last but not least, finish decorating this part of the room. Sounds like a lot? It is a lot. So I better hurry.
Babe, why can't you see? No hope in what's left of me. I had to tell you before I fall asleep. Sitting there on the edge, babe, not knowing which way to lean.
The reason why I have to do this step is, as you can see here, that the door frame is not flush against the wall, so it creates a big gap behind here, which I need to fill. And I thought it would look the best long term to do this with a similar piece of wood and glue it just like I did with the door frame, with the door trim next to this one. It takes a few extra steps before I can attach the whole thing to the walls, but it's worth it. It will look a lot better. It's really a all hands on deck situation here. I found out that it's better to use these even if they are impractical. The more you can use, the better result.
Dollar, I need a dime. I took a dive for an API. Babe, I want to give it all to you. Give it all to me, babe, and I give it all to you. You give it all to me, babe, and I give the world to you. To you, if you give it all to me, babe, I give the world to you. Sweet thing.
I have fixed the door trim. And I finished painting the first round of the wall ceiling border. Now I'm gonna nail the door trims.
Pouring rain, crescent moon has taken itself away to lay down. One more lazy dream. I can't sleep. It used to cut. You and me, we was thicker than blood. But the sky grew dark and got inside of me. I still hear the words you told me. Baby, gonna be so lonely when I'm gone. But it isn't true. I was just as lonely with you. I guess I always will be. Someday soon I'm gonna go back behind the clouds to see the big light show in the sky. You know, I've been there in my dreams. Strange distant sea. Well, heaven grew, the silver moon made the ocean see. I thought that I would feel brand new, but trouble's on the way. I know that there's a solitary life that's filled with peace, and sometimes a man just needs a wife. Break my heart, break my bones. You still hang around wherever I may roam. Yeah, you got me right. And I could take. But I won't fight. I can't pretend. No, it's much too true. I was just as lonely with you. So I guess I always will be.
I'm not trying to get the windows perfectly clean, I just want them to look more finished. Obviously, I have a few broken glass panes and it's very difficult to clean them because you don't want to press on them so that they break and shatter completely.